Hello, Dr. Grace Carol P. Beltran, your dermatologist, dermatologic and aesthetic surgeon, genetologist, and obesity resource person. Ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ay yung dati ng sikat na element ng skin, no? Yung tinatawag nating collagen. Noong bata pa ako, nagpunta ako ng Hong Kong, uso na yung collagen drink na yan eh. No? So, ang dami nang dumating na mga collagen supplements, collagen juice, collagen source of food, mga ganun, no? So, mga cream, serums, and etc. But it has never discussed kung bakit ba natin kailangan ng collagen. Ang collagen kasi ay bahagi ng o parte ng ating balat, no? Lalo na yung balat kasi nga very common to sa mga taong gustong magpaganda. Ang collagen ay it maintains appropriate elasticity of the blood vessel, no? Ayun ang nag-strengthen ng mga blood vessel natin, yung mga veins at arteries. Ito din ay nagpo-provide ng mechanical strength sa ating cartilage at saka sa ating mga buto. Okay? And it also is present in the cornea of the eyes and also, of course, in the skin, no? In fact, yung dry content ng skin natin, 70% of that is collagen. Okay. So, para magamit natin na pamahid ang collagen, ang kinukuha natin ay yung part ng collagen hydrolysate, no? Yung collagen mismo, hindi mo pwedeng ipahid sa balat yun kasi malalaki yung molecules. So, para ma-absorb sa skin, hydrolysate ng collagen ang ating kinukuha. Paano ba nako-convert dito sa mga hydrolysate ng collagen? The use of enzymes, metalloproteinases, ito yung naghihiwalay-hiwalay ng mga component ng collagen para yung hydrolysate makuha natin. And also, it is also responsible for cutting out the defective collagen in order for that collagen to regrow also into a more functional and healthy collagen. Ngayon, meron kasing parating na gadget, collagen device, no? Na parating pa lang galing sa Italy na pwede nating gamitin ngayon parang biostimulator or booster for the skin to become normal and to become more beautiful, no? So, parating pa lang po ito, galing po ito sa Italy at ang kagandahan dito kasi it is used for tissue remodeling and for improvement of skin appearance, especially of fine lines and other problems like skin laxity. It also supports immature and aging skin, no? So, ito yung bagong device ngayon na parating pa lang sa Pilipinas. Although I think it's already available pero pinopromote pa lang ngayon na pwede nating gamitin as a biostimulator of the skin and as an anti-aging device, no? Ang purpose nito, it provides for firmness of the skin, hydration, elasticity, and it also interferes with the visible appearance of fine wrinkles, no? Kaya magandang device ito. It does not only contain collagen but it also contains vitamin C, okay? Magnesium that supports the skin cell function, tissue health, and overall skin vitality. It also has vitamin B1 that supports skin metabolism and cellular energy. And it has also vitamin B2 as well, which supports healthy skin renewal and healthy looking skin. And lastly, it has vitamin B6, which supports skin balance, repair, and overall skin wellness. So, ano pang inaantay natin, no? Kung gusto po nating gumanda, i-maintain natin ang ating skin by using these immune boosters and actually, it's also a type of a filler pero mas safer siya kasi it doesn't have much occlusion kasi superficial lang yung injection na gagawin natin dito. Okay, so if you're interested to avail of this medical device, please call the following numbers and also please like, share my account.